Welcome to our personal productivity Notion template. You can get organized and boost your productivity with our top-rated productivity Notion template. This sleek and user-friendly template is designed to help you track your tasks, set goals, and stay on track with your daily and weekly schedules. With its customizable layout and intuitive features, you can tailor it to your specific needs and streamline your workflow. When you first open the Notion template, you will see the main dashboard. Here you have an overview of what you have going on. First, you have a navigation menu to go to all of the planner pages. Then you can see some of your events that are due soon. Create a small task list for miscellaneous tasks you might have. You even have a small daily view to see what you have going on for the day. Finally, there is a calendar that can view by due date or by work schedule with the addition of a list view of all of your projects, goals, and tasks. We'll now go through all the different pages you have to plan and organize your life. As you heard from the dashboard overview, there are projects, goals, and tasks, but that is not where your planning stops. There is also a budget planner, habit tracker, notes section, journal, and finally a save for later section. The projects, goals, and task views are similar in looks. They contain a board view of the events based on the current status along with a calendar view to see when they are due. Next, we'll go to the goal page and you'll see it looks very similar to the project page, but showing your goals instead. We'll repeat this with tasks as well. The habit tracker is a very simple tool to help you build out better habits. Just create a new habit to work on and mark every day as an action completed and monitor your progress. You also have a zero-sum budget to use. We have included a bunch of sample data so you can see how it should be used, but you can adjust and change it to fit your life. After it is set up, just add transactions at the bottom to keep it updated. Don't forget to create some goals. Notion is a big note-taking app on its own, but to keep things more organized and easier to manage, we included a notes section within the planner. It's simple to find and create notes that are important to you. A tool that is typically underutilized by people is a journal. That is why we made sure to include it to help you reflect, act as a brain dump, or just express your gratitude. You'll see we have a beautiful template that is super easy to follow. Lastly, we have a save for later section. This lets you bookmark websites or save quick notes to view later. If you need to, you can even set a reminder for each entry. Don't let productivity slip through the cracks. Our Productivity Notion template is here to help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. With its easy-to-use layout and customizable features, it's the perfect tool to boost your efficiency. Don't wait any longer. Get your hands on our Productivity Notion template today and start achieving your goals.